Okay, so let's take a look first at this drill pod. As you can see here, it is a hard shell. Now, it's not that very hard polypropylene plastic. It's got a little like a little soft finish to the outside of it. It's got your Velocity badging here. It's got a very nice wide zipper here. Operates very smoothly. Here's your drill pod badging on the side. It's got a little flexibility here, as you can see. If you don't need it so thick, if you don't have so much in here like I do, it is flexible here, where it will zip up a little bit tighter. Up here, it's got your carabiner tab, where you can just hang this from a carabiner. Now, this thing is pretty heavy, though. I mean, that's the reason I'm kind of excited about this Drill Pod XS. This is a little bit heavier. Still, I like, when I leave the house, I know I'm going to have every drill bit I need in here. And that's what I've got with this. So let's open it up. We'll take a look. All right, as you can see, this is your first page, I'll call it. First flap. This has got your clear webbing pocket here. It's got a rubber Velocity badging here. It's got ballistic nylon below that. So you can put things in here, and I don't think you'd have to worry about anything poking through there. I don't have anything in this pocket right now. I haven't used it for anything. Now, over here, I have these drill bits. Now, these bits I like these bits that'll work in my impact driver or drill, either one. I carry these around. This is pretty much what I use. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this holds 10 drill bits here. Didn't have enough room. Now, this has got those elastic pockets here, and it's got an elastic sleeve up here. Now, this sleeve is actually separated into 4 sections. So it kind of fits perfect like this. I think this works very well. I did have 2 more drill bits, so I put them over here on this side. Now, this side has a sleeve, but it's not sewn into 4 different pockets, just one solid sleeve here, which I didn't use it because I like seeing what bits are in here. So I've got 2 of my smaller bits for the drill. I got some 3-inch bits in here. And then I do have a Milwaukee bit holder on this side. Go to the next page here. So now on this side, I've got just one little packet of these countersink drill bits, like these right here. I use these for a lot of things. Of course, I do a lot of woodworking, so I use these pretty extensively. And I just have them in a little plastic bag here. So I just keep them right here in this lower pocket. Now, I got plenty of room for other stuff here. I didn't even put anything in here. Over here, I've got a mechanical pencil. These pencils, you can fit anything over here. It seems like it fits fine. So if you wanted a little wider pencil or whatever, you could, or a pen or a marker, you could actually put it over here on this side. Over here, I have my 1-inch bits. Full array of 1-inch bits. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 1-inch bits here. Second row, another 8. So it holds 16 1-inch bits. And then over here, I've got another 8. And I've also got one of my favorite bit holders, the Vera Rapidaptor. So that stays here. Then I've got some 2-inch bits below here and a 3-inch bit on the end. Next page here. Next page, like I've got a book here. These are my paddle bits. I think I go from 3/8 to 1 inch on the paddle bits. So over here, I've got my Brad Point wood bits. I think I've got 12 bits over here on this side. Use these all the time too. Next page here is just another one of these little sleeves. And in here, I just got all kind of stuff. I got another one of these countersink drill bits. This is the one that's spring loaded. I've got a lot more. Like I got some 4-inch bits in here. I've got a little Makita magnet in case I want to magnetize them. So you can just fit whatever you really want to in these. These little pockets here are very handy. So that's it. That is the drill pod with pretty much everything I need in here that I use on a day-to-day basis when I'm doing work either at home or away. So that's it. That's the Drill Pod. Now let's take a look at the Drill Pod XS. Okay, so here is your Drill Pod XS. A lot thinner, same type of soft material on the outside with like a semi-rigid plastic on the outside. There's your badging there. Same exact zipper, although you don't have as much expansion here as you do on the other one. You've got your Velocity badging here on the front. And of course, you still have your carabiner tab on the top. Now here you have a pocket. This pocket will hold multiple things. You can put a driver in here. You can put, of course, pins in here. You can put some pen in there, you know, whatever you wanted there. Over here, on the next page, you've got 5 slots for paddle bits or 4-inch bits, longer bits, what have you here. Here's your carabiner, of course, you can take off, put on the outside. Over here, you've got 5 slots for 1-inch bits, and then you've got 5 slots here for whatever. You can go all the way up to 6-inch, from 2 to 6-inch bits on this side. Either that, or you can put drill bits, really whatever you want here. I like having driver bits with my drill bits. And then over here, again, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 7 slots here with 3 pockets, so you can put a couple in each one of these pockets. So that's it. That's the Drill Pod XS. Take these out of here. A lot smaller. You can't fit near as much in, but if you know what you need, you can go ahead and fill this up and throw it in easily. Either hang off the bag or throw it in the bag. A lot easier than this normal size drill pod, but I'm gonna tell you, I really like this drill pod. I like having everything in one location. I don't have to search around in the bag for different types of bits, different type of driver bits. I've got everything in one location. I grab this and a drill and head off. So that's it, guys. That's the Drill Pod versus the Drill Pod XS. I don't know which one's right for you. I do know these will be on sale in the United States spring 2026. So be looking out for that press release. And you know, if you keep watching this channel, I'm going to let you know exactly when they drop in the United States. And I'm sure they're going to drop with a splash, because I understand their bags are going to be very affordable when they hit here. We'll see you on Monday's Tool Haul.